मैं क्लास 8th का फर्स्ट चैप्टर रेशनल नंबर पढ़ाने जा रहा हूँ। व्हाट इज़ रेशनल नंबर? अ नंबर which can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0 is called rational number. For example, 5 by 3. 5 and 3 are integers and we can represent it in the form of p by q. So we can say that 5 by 3 is a rational number. Is 0 as a rational number? Yes. We can represent 0 as 0 by 1. 0 and 1 are integers, so we can say that 0 by 1 is a rational number. Next one is 2 by 4. It is also a rational number. Now moving on to properties. Properties of rational numbers. First is closure property. We can check for addition. So we just take it two rational number as 2 by 3 and 5 by 3. What is the sum? 7 by 3. 7 by 3 is a rational number, so we can say that addition is under closure property. Now moving on to subtraction. We can take 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. We just subtract it and we get 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is a rational number, so we can say that subtraction is under closure property. Now moving on to multiplication. 4 by 5 into 1 by 7. These two are rational number. What we get? 4 by 35. 4 by 35 is a rational number, so we can say that multiplication is under closure property. Now for division, we just divide two rational number, just like 4 by 5 divided by 1 by 3. What we get? 12 by 5. 12 by 5 is a rational number, so we can say that division is under closure property. Now moving on to next property. Next property is commutative property. We just check for the addition. For commutative property, we know that for addition a plus b equals to b plus a. We just take example. We just add two rational number just like 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4. What we get? 8 by 4. Now apply the property a plus b equals to b plus a. b plus a is 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4. What we get? 8 by 4. 8 by 4 equals to 8 by 4. So we can say that for addition it is a commutative property. For subtraction a minus b equals to b minus a, but this cannot be possible for subtraction. Let us check it. We just take two rational number 5 by 4 and 3 by 4. We just subtract it. What we get? 2 by 4. If we apply b minus a, what we get? Minus 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is not equals to minus 2 by 4. So we can say that subtraction is not under commutative property. Now moving on to multiplication. For multiplication, a into b equals to b into a. Let us check it. We just take two rational number 1 by 7 into 2 by 9. What we get? 2 by 63. For b into a, we just multiply it and we get 2 by 63. So we can say that multiplication is under commutative property. Last one for division. For division, a by b divided by c by d not equals to c by d divided by a by b. Let us check it. We just take two examples, two rational numbers, 5 by 3 divided by 2 by 3. What we get? 5 by 2. And for right hand side, 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 3, we get 2 by 5. 5 by 2 not equals to 2 by 5. So we can say that division is not under commutative property. Now moving on to next property, which is associative property. We just check it for addition. For associative property, a plus b plus c equals to a plus b plus c. We just first add a plus b, then add c, and for right hand side we just add b plus c, then add a. Let us check it. We just take three rational number 5 by 3 plus 2 by 3. First we add it and then add 1 by 3. What we get? We get 8 by 3 in the LHS side. For right hand side, we just add 2 by 3 and 1 by 3 first and then add 5 by 3. What we get? 8 by 3. So we can say that addition is under associative property. For subtraction we just subtract 3 rational number, just like a minus b, then subtract c. What we get? We just take 3 rational number, 5 by 3 minus 2 by 3, then we subtract 1 by 3. We get in the LHS side 2 by 3. For right hand side we just subtract 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, then what we get is subtracted by 5 by 3. We just find 4 by 3 in the right hand side, but in the left hand side we get 2 by 3, which is not equals to RHS. So we can say that subtraction is not under associative property. Now moving on to multiplication. For multiplication we just multiply 3 rational number, just like a into b into c, but we first multiply 2 rational number, a into b, and then for right hand side we just multiply 2 rational number as b into c, then multiply by a. We just take 3 rational number in the right hand side and left hand side. For left hand side we get 10 by 27 answer. For right hand side we get 10 by 27 also. So we can say that multiplication is under associative property. First operation for checking associative property is division. We just divide 3 rational numbers for the associative. We just take 3 examples, just like 5 by 3 divided by 2 by 3, and then we divide 1 by 3. What we get? 15 by 2 in the left hand side. For right hand side we just divide 2 by 3, 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 3, and what we get is divided by 5 by 3, and we get 5 by 6 in the right hand side, but left hand side is not equals to right hand side, so we can say that division is not under associative property.